Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers seem to find the perfect niche that gets tons of views and subscribers fast? What if there was a tool that could simplify this process for you, ensuring your channel starts with the right audience from day one? Today, we're diving into the NexLev YouTube Niche Finder, a game-changing software designed to help you automate your niche research and skyrocket your channel growth. If you're serious about YouTube automation and want to skip the guesswork, this review will show you exactly how NexLev works step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to optimize your strategy, understanding your niche is crucial for long-term success, and NexLev promises to do just that efficiently. Before we jump in, I've got a great deal for you. Click the link in the description below to get NexLev for 15% off. It's the perfect opportunity to grab this tool at a discount and start your channel the smart way. So, how does NexLev help you automate your niche selection on YouTube? First, you enter a broad topic you're interested in. NexLev quickly analyzes millions of videos and keywords to reveal hidden niches with high demand but lower competition. This saves you hours of manual research and gives clear insights into what your audience really wants. Next, NexLev breaks down related keywords, search volumes, and trends, allowing you to plan content that ranks higher and attracts views faster. It's like having a YouTube expert guiding you through every step of your channel's foundation. The tool also suggests video ideas based on what's currently performing well, so you can create content that's proven to engage your target audience. Plus, it tracks changes over time, helping you stay ahead of competitors as YouTube trends evolve. To put it simply, NexLev turns the complex, time-consuming process of niche research into a straightforward, automated system. Perfect for anyone looking to grow a YouTube channel without the headache. And remember, if you want to try it for yourself, check the link in the description to get 15% off NexLev right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.